think right now might be the weirdest time to fish. The fish are either done spawning and they're being funky, or they're just moving in like that last wave. We got the last full moon coming up here in late May. This is pretty late for a spawn, but it happens. It does happen. So we're gonna see what we can figure out today. Oh my goodness! Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Well, we got our coffee and we are starting the morning. We're gonna see if these topwaters work. The water's pretty muddy though, so maybe the extra noise that these new ploppers make, maybe it'll be a benefit. We'll see. Oh dude, it's shallow right here. What? Oh! What's that called? I don't think they're in this stuff. Alright, the first fish of the day is this largemouth. I switched to the spinnerbait because I'm just kind of trying to cover water. Oh my goodness, he got that down in there deep. But I'm just trying to cover water, and a solid fish, I guess. I'm just chucking the spinnerbait along these banks. I figured if there was going to be a fish, it would probably end up being exactly what we just caught, which was a largemouth. So plan is still to throw topwater. I think this area is going to be a little bit harder to get the topwater to work. There we go. Oh, he's off. That was a smallie. A little guy. I say little. He's probably like 15. All right, that's a good sign. There's another one. All right, we lose one. We hook up. Oh, and he's off too. Jeez. Is my hook dull? My hook dull?
Oh, I knocked you right along. God dang it.
Dude, that's back-to-back losses for 4 in a row for us.
He took me around a rock and broke me off.
He broke you off?
Yep, he went around me.
All right, first smallie of the day, right where Cole broke off one and lost one. I've lost two. It's a very interesting looking one. There's like a lot of like bluish green when you tilt them in the sunlight. So first smallie of the day. Never caught any here. I wasn't even sure if we were gonna get any up here. So not a bad start. Definitely not the topwater day we were looking for. I don't see it. I wish I saw
over your right shoulder.
like over in here.
Yeah.
All right, well, weird start to today. There's clearly a lot of fish in this section, but landing them has proved to be a challenge. This is a weird river. I've never fished through here before, and like, I really did not know what to expect. And that section back there, we caught some fish, lost some fish, but it's certainly bright out now, and I think maybe our topwater dream is over. So might have to save that for another video, but I'm not giving up on it. We'll see if we can catch one on topwater, because we still got a lot of water in front of us. And when it gets clearer and you get in the right areas, I think we can do some damage with them. Oh my God. Dude, that was a giant gar. Gosh dang it. Well, that was our topwater fish. I accidentally hit my motor in reverse because of course I did. At least we know they'll eat topwater. That was a little guy, but...
There we go. Oh no! Oh! Oh! Oh, that was a big fish.
A little one.
Dude, that was a giant.
Alright, well, there's one.
Sucked down the freaking river.
Well, after almost dying because we hooked a gar, caught another smallmouth on the spinnerbait. I did catch, technically caught one on topwater. So our goal was to catch one on topwater, but he flopped off at the boat. We're just gonna count him, but not really the size we're looking for, but at least we're catching. These are the kind of spots that just reload over and over, and like you just kind of just sit here and you burn a lot of your battery just existing. Ah, another one on this current. I'm gonna drop the motor. It's getting swift right here. So they're definitely in swift stuff today. If you can find the right areas. Our topwater plan is not going the way we thought it would. Maybe, I don't know. That's what I was saying, like I don't think, like, I think there's definitely a pattern of rock. We always...
Dude, that fish hit. That
What?
was like a 19.
I just got absolutely hammered right there. Got it! What a weird spot.
Did it spot?
I said, what a weird spot for a fish. That's a decent one. So we're back here in this little kill and he hit that twice. That's a solid smallmouth. We're starting to get onto a spinnerbait bite. These rocks are.
Now, granted, I could have just hit it right on
That was a good bite. Ah. I'm just gonna let him go in. I don't want to reach down and grab him. I did not like that hit my rod. Look at that. Dude, I don't even think it... Oh. A little guy. I knew it wasn't big. There we go. Dang, we almost doubled up. That's a nice one. That's actually a fairly... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? No, it's a catfish. Oh, he just broke me off on this log. I knew it wasn't a bass, but yeah, he broke me off on that log because I like didn't want to crash into the thing. This bite's just not good today. I feel like they're aggressive, but like the wrong kind of aggressive.
I feel like we could still run into the...
Ooh, I actually just got eaten right there. Dang, he like, that was weird.
Oh my
He
God.
stole my fish. That's pretty good enough.
Tell me how it fishes if it's like this.
There we go. It's a little guy. Hey, we switched to the glide bait, and as soon as we switch to the glide bait, we catch one. So that's the first one on the 4-inch trick shad. But I'm a fan of the 6-inch, obviously. So, little dude. All right, well, that's my first fish in like 2 hours.
I'm gonna run down the Oh my God, dude! You see this?
Yeah.
I'm done for today.
Yeah, I don't want to hear any more complaining. You've had like 5 times the opportunity. It definitely feels like this. They're up against the bank now. Oh, that is a big. Please, please, please. Stay down. Stay down. Oh, it's a catfish. Oh, it's a drum. It's a drum. It's a giant drum.
Do you want a picture of it?
No, I do not want a picture of this drum.
Picture of the other one.
Dude, this thing is so fat. Look at that. How fat the thing is.
That's crazy.
It's like a spawning drum. Yeah, it's probably a drum, dude. Last time I caught them all in the same... Osprey. See it? Oh my goodness! Oh. Dude, I'm about to uninstall. Gosh, dude. I'm over it. I'm over it! I can't catch a bass to save my life. Oh. This is like the 6th channel cat I've caught this week. Maybe more, actually. Camera all boogered up. Well, this sums up my spring, in case you're curious. I cannot wait for summer. Little guy.
Like these fisheries and stuff like that.
A white bass.
I saw that eat, dude.
Yeah.
Right at the boat.
So we've caught everything today but a smallmouth on Merit. Gotta be careful with these. They got like armor plated gills.
Oh, dude, they'll stab you.
Hey, bass. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I'm gonna lose him. Is that a smallie or? It's not a super good one, but it is a big largemouth. When I say big, dude, he's got eagle talon marks on him. Look at that.
No way.
Look at this fish. He's got eagle talon marks on him, like bird marks. That's pretty cool. Never caught a fish quite like that. You can tell it's healed ages ago, but these bugs are getting mad. But that's a first for me. So he lives to fight another day.
Yeah. I didn't get over there fast.
Oh my god. Oh, what do we got here? All right. No, 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 no. Wrong direction.
Smallmouth?
Yeah, wait till you see this fish. You're gonna be like mind blown. Look at how fat that belly is. I don't think it spawned.
No.
So,
Well, unless it did and it's just back and then feed.
look at that. I bet you this fish is getting close to 3 pounds. Sure. I don't have to wet my board because it's rained on it. 15 3/4.
Yes.
I'm gonna say 2.6.
Final guess?
Yeah.
2.2.
Huh. I mean, it's just deceptive.
Well, it's just so thick.
Look at that tubber. Pre-spawn apparently here in late May. Either that or she's gorging on minnows, one of the two. I would believe that she's ate a lot of minnows because I did catch her on a spinnerbait. So just that booyah bone. Look at that. Thing has seen better days. I think maybe I've gotten some use out of the spinnerbait. It doesn't seem to bother him though. We're actually using a different rod today. This is my preferred spinnerbait rod, the 844 MBR. That's just the booyah spinnerbait with a little Z-Man drop kicker. Wanted something that kind of thumped a little bit, so. There we go. Maybe there's at least going to be one there. Is that a good fish? Yeah, that's a decent one. I was thinking about netting him. I guess I will. Right where that rock ended. Yeah, he's a decent one. I say decent, he's a small, still on the small side, but I mean, beggars can't be choosers today, right? Yeah. Solid, dude. It was nice to be able to stand. That's one thing I really like about the PDL Pro with the rear motor. You got the pedal drive out. It's just so stable. It's actually unreal how stable this kayak is. There we go. Feels like a decent one. Ah, it's a nice one, but not like a... It's a chunker. Mud on his belly. Little bonus session here. His eyes are moving. He's looking around. He's looking around. Dude, I have not caught a fish over that size. Like, it's like they've all been kind of the same. All right, well, there's another fat minnow eater. She's got a gut on her. She almost looks pre-spawn too, but keep her out of the water too long. It's weird that I keep running into these pre-spawn fish. I mean, it's possible they're just gorging on minnows too. It's like what I said. It's like they either eat it right away or they don't eat it at all. Look, he's even got that mark from when I caught him right there on